A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. B is for ball. B is for banana. B is for butterfly. C is for cat. C is for cake. C is for car. D is for dog. D is for drum. D is for duck. E is for egg. E is for elephant. E is for eagle. F is for fish. F is for frog. F is for fan. G is for giraffe. G is for goat. G is for grapes. H is for horse. H is for house. H is for hat. I is for igloo. I is for insect. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. J is for jam. J is for juice. K is for kangaroo. K is for kite. K is for key. L is for lion. L is for lamp. L is for leaf. M is for monkey. M is for moon. M is for mango. N is for nest. N is for net. N is for night. O is for octopus. O is for owl. O is for orange. P is for parrot. P is for pumpkin. P is for panda. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Q is for quilt. R is for rabbit. R is for rocket. R is for rose. S is for sun. S is for snake. S is for ship. T is for tree. T is for tiger. T is for train. U is for unicorn.
U is for umbrella.
V is for violin. V is for van. V is for vase. W is for whale. W is for windmill. X is for xylophone. X is for Xmas tree. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. Z is for zoo.
Like and subscribe for more videos.